What's good? What's good? What's good? What's happening? Sneakerhead bros coming at you. What's happening?
Nada. What you been up to?
Oh man, I was checking out the draft. I was checking out
For
the
real?
draft. Oh yeah. Oh buddy. Steelers looking nice. Great job. Great job, Steeler Nation. Nice work. I'm looking forward to this upcoming season. How y'all do?
Oh, H down. I got to represent. Picking up the number 2 pick. CJ
Oh,
Stroud. Can't
okay.
complain.
Okay. Ohio State. Buckeyes. I got you. That's still
Know
up.
it.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Oh,
Very happy. We need the quarterback. So can't wait to see season start. How about you?
oh yeah. We got a nice tight end. We got some good defense. Got a couple offensive linemen. So hey, very nice draft. Very so I give them about a B plus, a good B plus with the draft picks, you know. So looking forward to this year. Very looking forward to this year. So
That's
what you
what's
got
up.
shaking on? Yeah, what you got shaking on your end?
Oh, not much. Got this shock drop.
You got what?
Shock drop.
No, you
Bam!
don't. Oh, uh oh, uh
You already
oh.
know.
No, you
You already
didn't.
know.
No, you
Steelers Nation
didn't.
stand up.
No,
What you
you
gonna do with
didn't.
these?
Are you serious? You know I'm
Yes,
rocking
sir.
them. You know I'm rocking
Yes,
them.
sir.
Come on, man. You know I'm rocking them, dog. Hey, Steelers for life. Check this out. Check this out. Bam!
Okay, I see you. I see you. Son, I see you.
Hey, come on, man. Come on, dog. Yes, sir. Check that out. Mm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So don't you know I'm rocking them. You know I'm rocking them.
Yeah, so these come out on May 13th.
How much
So
again?
out there, 210,
210. When they come out?
May 13th, you got to pay to play.
Oh, okay. Hey, let me see him again. I must have a drink to that. Throw that back up there. Let me see him. Ooh. Uh, cheers. Toodles. Uh, mm, mm.
Video coming soon. Hey, out there, sneakerheads, are you copping, rocking, or dropping? Let me know in the
Hey,
comments.
hey, yeah, let us know. Let us know in the comments. Like he said, if you rocking, you dropping, got him. Get him. Get him. Yeah, still a nation. Yep. Anything else popping up, dropping this week? I know you say the 13th on them, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
This week's going to be kind of slow for us because, these are just women's release this week. The video's
Okay.
already out if you haven't seen it already.
Yeah. Check out that video. Any updates you need to know, hey, with what's coming out, hey, get with the sneakerhead bros. Hey, we true sneakerhead bros, right? Two brothers from two what?
Different mothers.
Say that again. Two brothers from what?
Two different mothers.
That's
Yes,
right.
sir.
That's right. That's right. That's right. So okay. So you saying they got a couple releases, but they females. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm gonna
We
get
got
with
the
the.
Jordan 2 Cougar
Okay.
A's coming out on Tuesday, and on Saturday, we got the Jordan 11 Low Yellow Snake Skins.
Ooh. Hey. Hey. Them snake skins. Whoo. Ooh, dude. Hey. Mm. Nasty. Nasty. Hey, if the wifey, you know, she wants to rock them, but you know, with it being a short week and everything, we just wanted to come out there and drop some of this sneaker knowledge on you guys, and until next time, see ya.
Peace.